Hi, this is Alex speaking. Welcome to my Folio 1. Let's start it. For the first week's themes, observation, I choose to observe and record the process of making healthy food. During the observation process, I photograph every stage from preparing fresh ingredients to cooking, showing the changes and beauty of the ingredients. During the process of cooking and photographing, I recall the good time of cooking with my family. Healthy food not only provides nutrition, but also brings emotional satisfaction and happiness. There is an Instagram account called Healthy Food Today. It's also creating similar work. She shares a healthy lifestyle by posting pleasure and nutrition meals. In the second week, my starting point was my Chikaba scene phone case. I liked the cat character in the Chikaba, so I drew my favorite character, Hatchware, in class. Then I went home and drew a new Hatchware picture in Photoshop. While drawing, I thought about why Chikaba series became popular all over the world in a short period of time. I think the popularity of Chikaba provides that. Character IPs with real emotional color and more likely to touch the heart of the audience, especially its simple and cute character design and warm story content provides some good emotional value to the audience. Similar works include other Japanese hailing characters, such as Ryakuma. They all won the love of audience through simple and cute design and warm stories. The week 3 theme is fun objects. Angeli gave me socks as my object, so I use pixel art to turn socks into parts of other objects. In this way, I explore the new function and form to ordinary objects in different situations. Bilibili video blogger Tiger Xixi is doing something similar. She used clever editing to combine video clip with her cooking video to create amazing transformation effect. For example, just now, she added a piece of red hot iron into a piece of luncheon meat. This creative way of transforming unrelated element into new content is consistent with my idea of turning socks into other objects parts. The week 4 topic is discussion of place. My classmate and I create a scene story through group discussion and story relay. Our rule is that everyone take turn to follow the previous person's description to add a storyline, and this process is full of uncertainty and creativity. After the story was complete, I use AI to generate the picture of the story. Our story relay activity remind me of tabletop role-playing games, such as Dungeons and Dragons. In these games, players jointly construct a storyline through role-playing and improvisation. Similar to our group activities, TTRPG relies on imagination and creativity for each participant, and the development of story is full uncertainty and surprises. The week 5 topic is object-oriented ontology. So I started to think about nature phenomena that evolve independently without human intervention. Finally, I choose rock weathering as my theme because the weathering process of rock is completely dependent on natural forces such as wind, rain, and temperature changes without human involvement. Based on this idea, I decided to use ZBrush to sculpt a rock model that shows the rock's weathering process. In ZBrush, I sculpt cracks, pits, and weird textures on the surface of the stone, simulating detail formed by long-term weathering, such as wind-eroded edges and water-eroded surfaces. The land artist Andy Goldsworthy's works use nature materials such as stone, ice, and branches to create artworks that reflect nature process. Andy's work creates works through the action of nature forces, just as I choose the process for rock wearings as the theme. During the process of completing Folio 1, I get many inspired ideas, and I realize that everything which I used to overlook have endless creative potential. Through the different projects in Folio 1, I learned how to break away any conventional thinking and look at familiar things from new perspective. I will no longer to ignore any common idea, but try to record every moment of inspiration, because they might become the starting point for my future work.